Antitrust and competition law firms versus economic consulting practices. Which one is better for merger defense? When companies plan mergers, most people get this wrong by thinking legal advice alone is enough. The surprising truth is that defending a merger successfully often requires a combination of legal expertise and economic analysis, and knowing when to use each resource can save millions. Antitrust and competition law firms specialize in the legal framework governing mergers. They assess potential regulatory hurdles, prepare filings for competition authorities, and represent clients during investigations or hearings. For example, if a tech company wants to acquire a competitor, antitrust lawyers ensure compliance with U.S. merger control regulations, anticipate objections, and craft arguments to demonstrate that the deal won't harm competition. Their expertise provides legal certainty and strategic guidance. Economic consulting practices, in contrast, focus on the data and analysis behind mergers. They perform market studies, simulate competitive effects, and quantify potential consumer impact. For instance, an economic consultant might model how a proposed merger between two pharmaceutical companies affects pricing, market share, or entry barriers, providing evidence that can support the legal argument. Their work is highly technical, data-driven, and essential for convincing regulators. The difference is clear: law firms translate rules into enforceable strategies, while economic consultants provide quantitative proof to support those strategies. Most successful merger defenses integrate both. Economic analysis informs legal arguments, and lawyers use that evidence to negotiate with regulators, address concerns, or prepare for litigation if necessary. The takeaway is that relying solely on legal counsel risks weak support in front of regulators, while depending only on economic consultants overlooks critical legal nuances. The surprising truth is that a hybrid approach leveraging both antitrust lawyers and economic consulting is the most effective way to navigate complex merger approvals, minimize regulatory risk, and secure successful outcomes. By combining strategic lawyering with rigorous economic evidence, companies can confidently defend their transactions and avoid costly delays or rejections.